I brief military folks all the time about career opportunities in semiconductor, and they're like, "Semi what?" The STEP is an acronym that stands for Semiconductor Training and Experience Program. The semiconductor industry is highly automated. There's lots of very, very expensive tools that are used to make chips, and all machines break. So we're developing a pool of technicians that can troubleshoot and fix problems and maintain these tool sets. Very few of us serve in the military anymore. Civilians don't understand their backgrounds. They don't understand the jobs that they did in the military. And so there's that disconnect. And I don't think a lot of veterans feel that their skills transfer and translate, but they do. You know, we know they do.
Time management, attention to detail, able to learn quick, definitely a lot of mechanical skills as well. I'm a 88 mic motor transport specialist. My goal is to become a semiconductor technician.
The best part is a lot of jobs out there right now. You need to go to school and you need to work at it to do it. But the semiconductor industry, common sense, hands-on, teamwork, and it has tons of training. That's why I thought this would be right up my alley. Plus it has a clean room. I love clean rooms.
The push is to make chips here, to make them, bring that manufacturing back home. And New York State is perfectly positioned to be a big player in the semiconductor ecosystem. We want to get veterans involved in these jobs because we know their skill sets are superb.
With support from WDI, strengthening New York's workforce.